circular modularity concept. We are developing further products.
So this housing is 3D printed. This is plant-based from a renewable source. Cool feature that comes with it, it is biodegradable.
All right, so what possibilities do we have here at Prime Computer? How do we start using that?
So the key actually to this and how we introduced circular modularity is this credit card sized card. It's called an Intel Compute element. And on this element, you have the processor, the CPU, the integrated graphics card, the GPU, but also the Wi-Fi and the RAM, and some other components that make the magic happen. And the really cool thing about this is it is modular. To make it completely green IT, we also have to have a plan for the elements that we took out of the original device.
But we have something more in mind. So we are developing further products where actually we can use or reuse or initially use those elements. Give us an example of what we are doing it here at Prime Computer.
Yeah, that's actually a great point, because to make this whole concept work, we have to find use cases for these older elements. Of course, there will be use cases to put it into a notebook. But we see actually more opportunities with use cases in different products, in different product categories. What we have here, I mean, this is just a prototype, but I think it's already looks cool if you know what it is about. So this housing that goes around this assembly with the element is 3D printed.
3D printed.
So this is already a nice feature because you can manufacture it locally.
Yes.
So that means you save some, it's environmental friendly because the supply chains are shorter. So this is one of the advantages of 3D printing.
Out of what material is it 3D printed?
Yeah, that's the next step, or why it's especially interesting to talk about this device.
Yes, please.
Because this is made out of a filament, so this material, how you call it, the material you 3D print things out. This is plant-based.
Really?
So, and plant-based means it's from a renewable source. So you don't have to mine any resources that are not renewable, like you need for aluminium or for iron and whatsoever. So this is actually a great impact that you have already on the product level, or not on the product level, on the material level. You have a renewable material, and there's a cool feature that comes with it.
Yes.
Is that because it is plant-based, it is biodegradable.
It's 100% biodegradable.
It's 100% biodegradable.
Perfect.
We even have the ISO certificate for it.